It's a pleasure to introduce our Glovebox and vacuum system. This system is designed and supplied to the customer specifically for perovskite research. As you can see, this Glovebox, 3 Glovebox linked together, and inside the one of the Glovebox, you can have a double vacuum chamber system. Each vacuum chamber system has its own purpose. First, it can do the deposit with the sample materials like metal. Second chamber, in the end, basically you can do the deposit with the perovskite sample. So that depending upon your sample testing, you can deposit either A or B vacuum system. Most important thing is that Glovebox and vacuum system sample material should not expose to ambient air. So safely store your sample before and after the sample deposition. This is the most important thing. Also, perovskite system. Perovskite is such a delicate and sensitive material. So this chamber system, through the thermal evaporation technology, sample deposit very slightly in delicate way. So by combining this double chamber system into single Glovebox, you can do your own test in very safe and very secure way. In the meantime, there is a controller underneath. So by putting your sample, by programming your own recipe, you can control underneath with the control panel. So without exposing your sample to ambient air, you can do the deposit first through this chamber vacuum system, and then you can move your sample from this box to the next Glovebox. Next Glovebox inside, as you want, you can probably store your sample after or before the deposition, and you can do the analyze through the AFM, elapsometer, and SEM or TAM without exposing to the ambient air. So this is a sort of a turnkey one-stop service system. Of course, this is still small iron scale system, and this system actually designed for the up to 150 millimeter by 150 millimeter substrate size. So if you need a bigger substrate deposition, like up to M10 or G12, maybe chamber size will be bigger and larger. Although this one has been designed and supplied to the customer for perovskite researchers, actually depending upon customer use, they want to scale up from this R&D to something more pilot system like this. Although you already have a small R&D scale of system like a double chamber perovskite system, probably you want to do something more complete scale of a system you may want to have. In the case, we can suggest you these two types of solutions. This design has been supplied to our battery customer. Basically, for all solid state battery customer, basically they want to deposit the battery materials using different technology, something better technology definitely they want to have. Also at the same time, they don't want to expose something oxygen, moisture, sensitive material very safely deposit or testing inside the Glovebox. So depending upon your cathode, anode, electrolyte materials, you want to apply something like a sputtering technology, thermal evaporator technology, or E-beam or ALD. So as you may want to do, we suggest you thermal evaporator, sputter, E-beam technology, or ALD, even ALD integrated this system. This system actually designed specifically for the all solid state battery researchers, because this is pretty small, but this one has been designed for the very delicate sample deposition like LLGO or lithium metal. So by having all this integrated system, you can do your own battery sample testing and analysis as well. In the meantime, this system is something more robotic, automated system, which we supply to our perovskite researchers. Basically, you can see this is a dry process system and wet process system combined all together. Some perovskite materials definitely you need a dry process. So depending upon your layered sample material like ETL materials or HTL or perovskite or TCO or passive encapsulation process materials, you want to have this dry vacuum chambers. So depending upon your sample materials, you can pick and choose your own chambers, and then you can deposit by having different technology like a thermal evaporator, again sputter or E-beam or even ALD system. At the same time, some materials are probably not good to use the vacuum chamber. In that case, you want to do the coating through the spin coater, slow type coater, or inkjet printer, or rotary coater inside the Glovebox. This is a wet process. By combining wet process and dry process, this hybrid system is very good to perform your flexible testing. So this one are actually designed for the sort of a silicon perovskite tandem or perovskite tandem or multi-junction kind of test. So depending upon your material or what you want, actually you can program this chamber deposition order recipe by yourself, so that this system can give you the expediting your testing and get the result very quickly. Also, depending upon your purpose, you can put your analysis tool in this Glovebox, or by connecting the sort of a SAM system right next to the Glovebox, you can have a sort of a total testing through this combined complete system. This is the beauty of our system. This is actually perovskite system, tandem system for perovskite researchers. Thank you very much.